Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a VW Tiguan steering wheel. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting your vehicle's battery. This crucial step prevents accidental airbag deployment during the removal process. After disconnecting, wait at least 10 minutes for any residual power to dissipate. Ensure your steering wheel is perfectly straight before you begin, which helps with reinstallation alignment. Next, we'll tackle the airbag module. Look for two small access holes, usually on the sides of the steering wheel. Insert a thin, blunt tool, like a small screwdriver, into these holes to release the spring clips holding the airbag. Gently pull the airbag away from the wheel and carefully disconnect the electrical connectors on the back. Remember to handle the airbag with care. With the airbag safely removed, the next step is to address the central steering wheel bolt. You'll typically need a specific triple square bit for this, not a standard Torx. Loosen this bolt, but do not remove it completely just yet. Before fully removing the bolt, it's wise to mark the steering wheel's position relative to the steering shaft for accurate reinstallation later. Finally, with the central bolt loosened, you can carefully pull the steering wheel straight off the shaft. Be mindful of the clock spring mechanism behind the wheel. It's delicate and crucial for electrical connections. Avoid twisting or rotating it. Once removed, store the airbag safely, face up, in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Reinstallation is the reverse of these steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.